Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, 69,000 miles. Now this is a demonstrator and we have bought it off a local lady who has driven it since it was a few months old. 69,000 miles, very good service history. Cam belt replaced at 66,000 miles. Continental tyres, new distant pads on the back, recently serviced, ready to go. Lovely, lovely thing. Santorini black metallic. Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre SD V6 Graphite automatic 4-wheel drive Euro 6 stop start 2016, £20,995. Black outside metallic, black leather, anthracite wheels, as you can see, running boards, mud flaps, privacy glass, 7 seats. Rubber mats throughout, including in the load area. Got the spare wheel cover underneath to stop people pinching the alloy spare wheel. So privacy, black roof rails, anthracite alloys, Continental tyres, mud flaps, see the squares on the door handles, keyless entry, keyless start, new disc pads on the rear, just been serviced, just had a cam belt. Not stone chipped at all. Front park sensors, daytime running lights, headlamp washers, front fog lamps. A beautiful, beautiful car. Really, really is lovely. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, MERIDIAN HIFI, black leather heated seats, leather multifunction steering wheel with paddle change. 2 sets of keys in immaculate condition. Lots of tread on the Continental tyres. Super clean. Remember, got a reverse camera, got keyless entry, got keyless start. Reverse camera's just there. Got 7 seats, they're folded away in the boot in black leather like brand new, never been used. Land Rover fitted mat from new in the load area. Parcel shelf is there and like new. Not a dent, not a scratch, not a mark anywhere on this vehicle. All the wheels, all the interior. As you can imagine, drives like a new car. Demo plus 1 lady owner. Even the grille and the badge are still in a beautiful condition, and the door handles, first things that go off normally. Right, folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows, MERIDIAN HIFI, leather on the driver's seat, like new, automatic headlamps, multifunction steering wheel with your cruise, with your voice control, with your controls for your phone to answer your phone, Bluetooth, 69,360 miles. Remember, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, climate control, all your terrain response buttons down there, mud, snow, ice, rock crawl, gravel, snow, you name it, it's got it. Beautiful, beautiful thing. £20,995 serviced and ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. Probably got more than one Disco 4 on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced recently. You can thumb through those, be lots of discos. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we have a fresh car come into stock, and you will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.